Reverend W.C. Khongwir ulabo ko jinggentu yaki KHUN Sengbhalang Kiba Pyrta Ieid Jaitbynriew ba Kimdei ban Pynthud yaka Pule PUTHI JONG Khynnah kumjuru yaka Education Department. Reverend W.C. Khongwir Ukraine kinegi kintin hakasngipin kut yaka jingrakhe yaka jingdap shis pasnem ka Jayaw Presbyterian Higher Secondary School Shillong kabalapin long min haka arpasam terik unai tung arhajar arpusaw. Reverend Khongwir uloong ba ubo ko jinggerpat yaki Sengbhalang ba Ieid Jaitbynriew bakin su bha ban le ikikam jungki shawai pat kat baki kwa ban le bat bakim dai ban Pynthud yaki Khynnah school kumjuru yaka tanat Pule PUTHI ka sarkar jilla hinrai lem kumta kinum yo yaka jingi trailang hinrai kin haban yu kundu ka jingi prasha ulo ang ru baka Pule PUTHI Kimdei tang MYNTA hinrai ka dek LAWEI jungki KHUN kiti jungi ulo ban ru baki tu ki ba ong Ieid Jaitbynriew Kimdei ban Pynthud yaki school bat yaki Education Department ulo ong ru ba kumki kimiki pa ladadon ki KHUN ki du yaki jing Pule school ki sungthu yaka jing Ieid bat ki KHUN ki haban man.
And they have shifted to Monday. We appreciate the government for the census that you know that Meghalaya is a Christian state. Whether from the state government or it is from the HRD department of Delhi, they should understand and they should know that most of the schools in Meghalaya, they are run by Christian institutions and they are the best. So not only the state government, Human Resource Department of the government of Delhi, they should know because they too, they are the products of Christian institutions. And the second appeal and the request to our NGOs who love Jaitbynriew, please do your works any other elsewhere, whatever you want to do. Do not disturb the children and the education department. Otherwise, you will not get our cooperation. Instead, you will face resistance. Because education is not only now, it is the future of these children of ours. Please, therefore, those who Ieid Jaitbynriew, do not disturb the schools and the education department. Otherwise, you will meet with stiff resistance. We, the parents, because I know very well, I also am a father. If my son missed the school, and you, the parents, you know very well. So with all these in my welcome address today, thank you so much once again, all of you. Pray with us. Pray for our present principal, Dr.